Hi, today we are going to see how to use VLOOKUP in Google Sheet. First of all, you have to go to your browser. In the search bar, type sheets.google.com. Here, you can create a blank document or you can open your document that you will VLOOKUP option. I am opening a document. For VLOOKUP function, click on =, then type VLOOKUP. Here is your VLOOKUP option. After that, you have to give the search key. Which key do you want to search? Then I am giving this. After that, you have to give comma and select the range. I am selecting the range to A2 and B17. So I will click A2 shift B17. Then by giving comma, we will give index. The index is refers to the table which is matching value must be returned. So we are searching for grades. So we will give second or 2. Then after giving comma, if we want the exact value, then we have to give false. If you want the close value, then we have to give true. I am giving false here and close the bracket. Then press enter and your VLOOKUP function is here. You can see in the 0556 the grade is 99. So that's it. If you like this video, give the thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching the video.